So we have a package from eTrailer. This is the 2013 PPV Tahoe that we picked up, and they do not have trailer hitches on them. They're really not designed to tow to begin with. So we ordered this trailer hitch from eTrailer. There are two options. You could replace this entire back assembly, take this off and take this piece out and put a new one in that has a trailer hitch. I found that on Car ID for $521, and then I found it on another website for $100 cheaper. But this is a toy. This is just for fun, and I'm not towing a boat with it. The only thing I'm going to tow with it is my four-wheel drive golf cart that I have sitting right there. That's the only thing that we're towing with this, and maybe the four-wheeler. So for $160 from eTrailer, we got this trailer hitch that is specific for this Tahoe and being in the PPV setup. The part number is 13161, I believe. Let me confirm that. Yes, so the 13161 is the model for the Curt hitch. And these guys do an amazing job of packing this in here, and I really like this. It's the silly things that I like. And this says, the bottom of this box should not end our relationship. If we can help, please call us. And it's got some other information in there. I thought that was cool. You know what? In today's day and age, there is just nothing that I buy that A, doesn't come in broken, or B, is just got no customer service. Alright, so let's dig this out of here. I'm gonna say, holy freaking crap. This thing is a beast. I mean, this is a beast. There's your 13161. Unbelievable. This thing is so well made. Unbelievably well made. Not bad for $161. So let's go under the vehicle and I'll show you what we're doing. So underneath the vehicle, you come down, we're gonna have to take the spare tire down, but there's 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3, and they're in your frame rail. These things are a bear to get out. I spent hours under here with a hand breaker bar trying to get these things out, and I'm just showing you because they're finger tight right now. But this was like a 2-hour process. Lots of liquid wrench. You do not want to use an impact wrench because you can see this one's at an angle, so I'm not sure if this vehicle took a hit or something, but this one's definitely at an angle. And even at the last couple threads, this thing is still fighting me to come out. On the other side of the tire, come around here. Am I getting you sick yet? You got the other 3 sitting right there. And those nuts are welded in the frame, and you don't want to strip them, or worse, break these bolts off in there. So that's where this trailer hitch is going to mount up using these 3 holes right here. Real simple, shouldn't take long at all. I got to drop the rear tire that I just put on, and then we're going to have a trailer hitch on the back of this Tahoe, which is just basically designed to tow the golf cart or maybe the four-wheeler, pull a trailer of mulch home, you know, something small to where I don't have to get the big old diesel truck out and tow it home with. So let's go ahead and throw this up there. I got to drop the tire first. I'm not going to waste your time, and just going to drop the tire and get it out of the way. Alright, so the tire's down out of the way. Now we can go ahead and shove that hitch up there. It did come with some nice new hardware. There's a hardware kit. And these washers are conical shaped. So you're going to want to put the this beveled part facing up toward the hitch. I also ordered the 7 to 4-way OEM connector. That is model number 40975, also from E-Trailer. And then since there's really no way to mount this, and I don't want to drill holes in the hitch, they recommended that I ordered this. And this is a 118140, which is basically just a hose clamp that goes around the trailer and then gives you a flat bracket to screw that trailer connector into. Really, the whole thing out the door was like 200 bucks. Not bad. And it's going to take me possibly 15-20 minutes to put it in. And I'm going to go on down here. I already got my 22mm socket for that. Got my breaker bar. And I think my ratchet's already down there. So now the fun part. I'm going to have to hold this up and then put them bolts in. And then we'll come back to you once I got the bolts hand threaded in. So I cheated and used the spare tire to help hold it up because this thing is quite heavy. And then where are we at? Come on over here. You can see I got the 3 bolts in. Just hand tighten them. There's the other one. And we're gonna come over here and do the other side. But you get the idea. It's got some nice tow hooks, as opposed, places to put your tow hooks, as opposed to them freaking factory hitches that suck. I got these 2 bolts in, and this last one's being a booger, so I'm going to have to fight with this one. I'll be right back. Wish me luck. So we got about 20 minutes into it, and my arms are freaking killing me. So, the passenger side, right here, all 3 of the bolts went in. No problems whatsoever. They're in. Got them torqued. Well, they're not torqued, they're just as hand tight as I can make them. Now the driver's side, that, my friend, is a whole nother story. So I got the back 2 in and they're hand tight. That one, I don't know, it looks like a little bit of, sorry about the fingers, a little bit of frame damage there. So yeah, and I got a little scuffage here, so this guy might have got a little love tap, but I'm gonna get the breaker bar out and tighten that one up, and then basically the trailer hitch is mounted on the back of the Tahoe so I can tow. It is a little low, but it is not lower than the bottom of the differential. It's right there with the same height as the bottom of the differential, so I think we're going to be okie dokie. So let me get my breaker bar, a big old breaker bar, and my Wheaties, and I'm going to crank that baby in, and then we're going to wire it up. And then we're pretty much done with the under $200 trailer hitch for the PPV Tahoe. And from what I understand, this is the only hitch, of what I read, the only hitch that is actually made for this PPV 2007, I want to say, to 2014 Tahoe. And, I could have replaced this whole entire assembly back here, taken all of it off, put about $500 or $600 into it, but for under 200 bucks, I'm all about cheap. This is a toy. I just bought this to have fun. I really wanted a 74 Trans Am with a 455 and a 4-speed, but that was 50 grand, and I don't got but 13,000 into this little guy, and it's still boogies and boogies. So hey, we're here for the trailer hitch. Let's get back to it. Alrighty then, hang on. So the bracket has 2 holes in it and 2 self-tappers. I've read that you really don't want to drill into this. So, and then the, you know what I forgot? I forgot my dielectric grease. Son of a, this just snaps in there. Let me look at my toolbox and see if I hopefully got some dielectric grease to pack in there. Looks like there's some in there, but I still like to goop it in there. Alright, hang on. Alright, so playing with the stuff we got here, looks like the bracket kind of just hangs over the square tubing, but this is round. So this is just going to hang over the bracket like so. And then the big ugly clamp goes on it right there. And then That's going to mount to that. So I'm going to go ahead and put these two together. That way I can line it up. And I'm still looking for my dielectric grease. Okay, quick mod. This is done. It's going to sit right there, just like that. These holes on the bottom were pretty big, so I just threw some 1/4-inch fender washers in there, just to keep them in. And we're going to go ahead and undo that clamp, get that puppy on there, and get that wiring harness in, and we're done. We are done. Alrighty then. How about that? How about those cookies? What other ones? So listen. Hang on. So we're going over to plan B, because when I had this mounted this way, there's no way that this would have went in and it would have worked. So I'm going to flip it this way, and I already got my wiring harness brought down, which is sitting there on every Tahoe possible. Just got to take the plug out, snap it in the back of that. I'm still fighting with the stupid bracket. The bracket's taking more time than to put the entire hitch. Man, this thing's on there. It's nice and solid. Alright, hang on. Okay, so another 45 minutes of playing. There's your 4-way, and there's your 7-way. Why are we getting in some kind of flashback here? So there's the Curt trailer hitch mounted on the back of the PPV Tahoe. That's nice and tight. You know what? Is it aesthetic? What the hell? I don't know. What are we going to do about that? I think I'm going to sit on that for a day and figure out what the hell I want to do. So I definitely don't want to cut. And I don't want to bring this down lower. I don't know. It's only on there with a twist clamp, so I can always undo it. I might look at mounting it up here. But hey, I gotta go pick up a trailer. So right now I have trailer lights, I have a trailer hitch, it's all in, it's torqued down, I just gotta crank up my tire, and I don't need to move the tire to relocate this puppy if I want to move it up here or something, but I'll think on that for a couple days. Right now, like I said, it's just a, it's on. I don't know why it's so dark. Well, like I said, it's on. It's ready to rock and roll. It ain't going nowhere. I do want to give a shout out to E-Trailer. I paid for this. They didn't give it to me. It was delivered here in 3 days. And it took me, I don't know, 2 hours. The majority of it was screwing around with that stupid wiring harness, which I'm still not happy with. But it's not a show vehicle. It's a vehicle that's going to get used. That's it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I was a little long-winded, as I always am, but look for more exciting videos on the PPV and how we're going to modify it. And it is the whole reason I bought this. I bought it for this back right here. That's it. That's why I bought it. Because I cannot fit my dogs in Big Blue anymore. Big Blue is too tall. So this is perfect for my Rottweilers to run and jump in. So this is a dog car. This is my Rottie car. And now I have a trailer hitch to haul the 4-wheeler or the golf cart out to the woods if we want to go running around with the Rotties. How many other dogs have their own Tahoe? So I don't care what it looks like. It's a dog car. A very fast dog car. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And let me know if you ever bought a car specifically for your dog. Thank you for watching and enjoy. And Happy New Year, everybody. It is a new year. I hope everybody has a blessed new year and gets everything that they wanted out of it. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching.